Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to share a calendar with someone on Outlook. Firstly, open your browser from the desktop. In the search bar, search for Outlook and open it. So you have to tap on Calendar from the side menu bar. Then select the Share option. You may enter an email address here or a contact name. Now hit the Share button. From here, you can share this calendar to as many contacts as needed. So this is how you can share a calendar with someone on Outlook. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share. Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add a signature in Outlook. First of all, go to your browser. Search for Outlook. Now tap on New Mail. Now click on Signatures from the toolbar. After this, click on New Signature. Edit the signature name here. In the description box, mention necessary information that includes name, designation, etc. You may also format the text written in the description box. After this, set default signature for new messages. Click on Save. So, when you go to Home and enter a new mail, the default signature will automatically be inserted there. This is how you can add a signature in Outlook. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share. Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to change Outlook account password.